Deepika, brilliant initiative, very noble one. Tell us something about it. When did it germinate?
Okay. I think we all decided to do this about a couple of months ago, and it's been a lot of hard work. Amongst many other things, I think we've all managed to take time out. Everyone's a professional here, and everyone has other commitments as well. But I think we, with a lot of focus and with a lot of commitment and a lot of dedication, we've managed to sort of finally put the foundation together much sooner than we thought. We thought that we would launch sometime next year, but today is World Mental Health Day, and we thought, this was the best day to sort of launch the Live Love Laugh Foundation.
Deepika, Mr. CM is coming for the launch. Could you just explain what is the program or what will go about?
I think the idea is really to sort of interact with people who can really make a difference, whether it's from sports, whether it's from entertainment, whether it's from politics, whether it's from business, and of course the doctors themselves. I believe that everybody in their own capacity has the power to sort of make a difference, and I think mental health as an issue needs to be addressed very, very seriously in the country. And I think it's high time we did that, and I think that's what the evening is really about. I think Live, Love and Laugh because it's something that I live by my own life. At least I try to live, love and laugh as much as possible. I know that in the current scenario, I think we all lead very, very stressful lives. But you keep reminding yourself that it's important to live, love and laugh and have a great life, because I think that's what really life is all about. And most importantly, I think for people who, like me, have had an experience with anxiety and depression, I think it's very important to know that there is hope, and we as a foundation are here to help you. And together, I think all of you included, the media included, we need to spread awareness, and together we need to destigmatize mental illness.
Ma'am, in your foundation, how will you help the people who are fighting against, who are depressed? How will you help them? To what extent? What way?
So we will be launching the website. We will be launching a website today. As a foundation, we have several plans. I think it will sort of unfold when the evening starts, and I think all of you will sort of have access to what is going to go on for the next 1.5 hours. So we have sort of our plans in stages. I think our initial stage is to focus on destigmatizing and to create awareness. We also have a website that we're launching, and it's going to have all the information that anyone who needs any kind of help related to stress, anxiety or depression, you go to the website, and it's a very, very simple process. You literally feel like you're talking to a friend in simple, very simple language and simple steps, guide you through what you're feeling and how you can seek help.
Deepika, are you expecting any support from the government?
I'm sure. I mean, we're ready to help the government, and we're hoping that the government will help us. I don't think that as individuals, I don't think we can, this is really, I think, the time for us to sort of hold hands and do this together and hopefully create a movement, because I think it's high time we, like I said earlier, I think it's high time we focused on the importance of mental health. And we need support from all quarters, you know, whether it's the media, whether it's politicians, everyone in their own individual capacity has to do something.
Deepika, there are lots of problems in human life. Why did you particularly choose this?
Usually addressed because it's considered some amount of taboo. But why are celebrities still reluctant to talk about love?
I don't know. I guess there's a lot of stigma attached to that as well.
Which all Bollywood celebrities are in association with this program?
I think everyone, in spirit, I think everyone is. I think everyone in their own personal capacity has reached out. Everyone is aware that today is World Mental Health Day. And I'm sure over a period of time, we'll have a lot more public support. But in their own personal capacity, a lot of people have come forward.
Deepika, there are lots of other issues also, in fact, like why this particular depression? Any personal experience that you must have seen or faced with trying to work on this particular thing?
Yeah, I think because it sort of germinated from my own experience, and mine was stress, anxiety and depression. And as a foundation, I think at least to begin with, we would like to focus on this. Having said that, there are a lot of other NGOs doing some excellent work across the field of mental health. But I think for us as a foundation, since we're just starting off, we would like to focus on this for now. We'd rather stay, we don't want to, maybe take on too much. And I think this is also our area of expertise for the time being. But hopefully, maybe years down the line, who knows. I didn't understand the question, sorry.
Deepika, the field of working in the glamour industry, it's a very stressful job, in fact, like what you are doing. So, how are you going to work on this particular industry, especially the glamour, maybe you can say the film industry?
I don't think mental health or mental illness has to do with any specific industry. I think it can afflict, if that's the right word, absolutely anybody, and we all have to realize that beyond just the baggage that we carry of being a so-and-so, we are all at some point stripped down to being human beings at the end of the day. So in very, very simple terms, let me say that it can happen to absolutely anybody. It does not matter what your economic background is. It does not matter which profession that you are in. It can happen to absolutely anyone.
Are you about it?
Were you apprehensive about it?
No, not at all. No, not at all. No.
One of the first actors who's spoken openly about suffering from depression. How did that phase change you as a person? How has that changed your outlook towards life in any manner?
I think it has. I wouldn't get into the details of it because I think it's a much larger conversation for another time. But of course it has. I've always believed, not just my experience with depression, but I think a lot of experiences that we go through in our lives, you learn something from it, and eventually I think they all make you a better person. Yes, of course. This is Neena Nair, Dr. Shyam Bhatt, Anna Chandy and Anirban Bla. I would not have been able to do this without the kind of love and support that they have given me. this would really not have been possible.
Because in this very commercial world of Bollywood, we don't see movies being made on these issues very rarely. Would you ever like to make a movie based on this subject, tackling the subject of depression and maybe perhaps act on the same?
I think if dealt with correctly, yeah, why not? I think in the West, a lot of movies have been made. For example, I think the latest one, Still Alice, you know, deals with Alzheimer's. So if something is dealt with, you know, sensitively and correctly, why not?
Because some quick tips to tackle depression. Some quick tips, according to you, to tackle or to avoid depression.
I think doctor can take over from here. But you'll have all this information. I think by the end of this evening, you'll have all the information on how to. It's not something that we should sort of talk about like this. We can talk about it in detail, which we will be doing later this evening. Yes. On that note,
Two of the most important actors in your life, Shah Rukh Khan and Ranveer Singh, what have they got to say about this particular initiative?
Definitely their love and their blessings, and more in detail, I think you should ask them what they think and what they feel.
Deepika, you know, many people suffering from depression. Deepika, you know, many people suffering from depression develop suicidal tendencies. Would you be even helping those people out in this initiative?
I think when we launch the website, you'll have the answers to all of that. Thank you. I would like to wish him personally. I personally do not like to wish people like this. I think relationships are a very, very personal thing, and I would like to wish Amit ji personally. Thank you. Thank you.
Gauri, wait. Gauri, it's a brilliant initiative started by Deepika. I'm sure she must have discussed it with you way earlier as well. Tell us something about it. What is your understanding of the same, and how will you be supporting this initiative? And what made you support it?
I think it's a very obvious reason. I think it's I don't think we need to think much about it. I think I wholeheartedly support something like this, and I'm very proud that someone like Deepika has come forward and done something like this. So anytime, anything required, my 200% support.
We are all discussing about the film being made on some subject. So what do you think about this? Film being made on mental health and
Depression and
I think it's a great subject, and it definitely should be made in a country like ours where subjects like these are taboo and are not talked about. I think should be out in the open. I think, and someone like her who's almost like become a brand ambassador with this subject, I think we need someone like that who to come forward and talk about it. I think hats off to her for doing this, and we should all be supporting this.
we are also eagerly waiting for your film Shah Rukh Khan and Arya. Please just give a highlight for the film, like क्या हो रहा है और कैसे हो रहा है.
Film बता दूँ?
But how did you achieve this casting coup of sorts, getting Alia, getting Shah Rukh together?
I don't know. I just wrote it and got lucky.
Alia said that she would be intimidated and nervous acting opposite the big Khan. So what would your tips be for her as a director?
No, I think it's good to be intimidated. We should all be intimidated by each other a little bit. Nervousness is good, like she said.
Right, but the big question is, will Alia be romancing Shah Rukh or vice versa?
Well, let's wait and watch. It won't be as typical as one expects a man and woman to be together.
So it won't be a cliched romantic.
Yeah, something like that. I think we should stick to the topic of the occasion. Yeah. In shortly.
Has it been named yet?
No, not yet. Not yet. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
हिंदी में इंग्लिश में लिव लव लाफ जो दीपिका जी ने एक नया फाउंडेशन खोला है मेंटल हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स के जो डिप्रेशन में जाते हैं इन लोगों को हेल्प करने के लिए ये बहुत बड़ा इनिशिएटिव है और मैं चाहूँगा बहुत कामयाब रहे और ये फाउंडेशन बहुत अच्छा काम करे। थैंक यू। ये गलत है, ये गलत है। हमने कोई नोटिस किसी को नहीं भेजा है।
I think the new age disease is clearly depression. So thanks to Deepika Padukone for walking the talk and for leading this initiative. It's the need of the hour in every segment, every section of society. I don't think there's a question in doubt that the Maharashtra state government is going to give everyone permissions. If there are legitimate permissions, they will give the security. Our Chief Minister has said that be it stalwarts like Ghulam Ali, who is a 74-year-old legendary singer, there is no question of double speak. And please do understand, our war is with Pakistan, our war is not with Ghulam Ali. We will give protection wherever required.
Thank you so much.
पहले तो दीपिका जी को मैं बहुत बहुत इसके लिए बधाई देता हूँ और शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ कि इन्होंने ऐसा एक पूरा एक मुहिम छेड़ी है। मैं इसका हिस्सा हूँ। उनका लोगो के डिज़ाइन में मेरी कंपनी मैकैन के साथ मैं काम करता हूँ। उन्होंने काफ़ी काम किया है इसमें पूरी टीम ने, तो सबको मैं इस काम के लिए बधाई देता हूँ। तो क्योंकि मैं काफ़ी वक्त से इस अभियान से उनके जुड़ा हुआ हूँ, मुझे सबसे बड़ी बात ये लगी कि दीपिका जी ने जो ये पहल की है, ये पहल इसलिए की है कि उनका अनुभूत सत्य, उनका स्वयं का सत्य वहाँ जुड़ा हुआ है। उन्होंने कहीं ना कहीं उसको खुद भोगा है और उसको भोग करके उसके बाद ये निर्णय लिया है कि मुझे लोगों तक वो चीज़ पहुंचानी है जिसका एहसास मुझे हुआ है, जिस चीज़ से मैं बाहर निकली हूँ उसे लोगों को भी फ़ायदा होना चाहिए। ये बहुत बड़ी बात है और मैं इसका स्वागत करता हूँ और उनको पूरा सहयोग देने के लिए मैं आगे आऊँगा इसमें।
सर, आपके हिसाब से कोई टिप्स कि आदमी को डिप्रेशन से दूर रहेंगे, डिप्रेशन टैकल कर सके, आपके हिसाब से?
सबसे बड़ी चीज़ जो डिप्रेशन के लिए अभी आप हमारा कैंपेन भी देखेंगे इसके विषय में, लेकिन जो सबसे महत्वपूर्ण चीज़ है कि इसको एक्नॉलेज करना। अगर आपको डिप्रेशन है तो उसे दरकिनार न करना, उसे स्वयं खुद उसको एक्सेप्ट करना और समाज को साथ में, परिवार से जुड़े हुए लोग, दोस्त हैं, सब लोग मिलकर इस बात को एक्सेप्ट करें कि कोई मुश्किल है और इस मुश्किल का हल भी है और इससे जो है आप बिल्कुल यू कैन कम आउट विक्टोरियस आउट ऑफ दिस। I don't want to talk about it. Lot of things have been talked about it. All I say is artists are beyond everything and we artists are great souls. हम लोग किसी चीज़ों में, हुदूद में, किसी सीमाओं में बंध के नहीं रह सकते।
थैंक यू सो मच।
दीपिका के इस इनिशिएटिव के बारे में क्या कहना चाहिए?
हमारे समाज में जो लोग मेंटल हेल्थ से परेशान हैं, डिप्रेस्ड हैं, उनके लिए कोई रेस्पेक्ट नहीं है और मुझे लगता है दीपिका ने एक बहुत बड़ा काम किया है। ऐसे लोगों को समाज में उनकी जगह मिले, समाज में उनका आदर हो, लोग उनकी भावनाओं को समझें और अपने बिजी शेड्यूल में से वक्त निकाल के दीपिका ने जो किया है, मुझे लगता है समाज की बहुत बड़ी सेवा है। मैं बहुत शुभकामनाएं उनको देना चाहता हूं और एक ऐसा कॉज है जो मेरे दिल के बहुत करीब है। आपका सवाल
आपने कभी एक्सपीरियंस किया डिप्रेशन का?
मैंने खुद तो कभी डिप्रेशन महसूस नहीं किया, लेकिन मैंने ऐसे बहुत सारे लोगों को करीब से देखा है जिनमें बहुत गुण थे, बहुत टैलेंट था, बहुत ताकत थी, बहुत कुछ अच्छा काम कर सकते थे, लेकिन डिप्रेशन ने उनको बहुत पीछे धकेल दिया। और ख़ास तौर पर जब मैं देखता हूँ यूरोप में, अमेरिका में, ऐसे लोगों के लिए बहुत सारे इंस्टीट्यूशंस हैं, बहुत सारी संस्थाएं हैं, बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो ऐसे लोगों की मदद करने के लिए खड़े होते हैं, लेकिन हमारे समाज में ऐसे लोगों की कोई जगह नहीं। इसीलिए जो दीपिका का ये काम है, ये बहुत बड़ा काम है। समाज में ऐसे लोगों को जगह मिले, समाज में ऐसे लोगों को स्थान मिले, ताकि उनमें जो टैलेंट है वो काम आए, जो लोग वो बड़े बड़े काम करना चाहते हैं वो काम को अच्छे तरीके से कर सके। इसके लिए उन्हें बहुत मदद मिलेगी, ऐसा मुझे लगता है। थैंक यू।
I think it's a wonderful, absolutely wonderful initiative. Frankly, I was very busy, but I left everything to come for this because this is something that everybody should be doing. I think it is our utmost duty as people that other people listen to, that we should bring to their notice the problems of the mind and how to solve it and be together in this struggle. I'm actually very grateful to Deepika for bringing this out in the open. Thank you, Deepika.
बताओ
क्या कहना चाहेंगे आज आप
जी this is nothing to do with Piku, but I think it's what she is doing, it's very commendable, absolutely. और जबकि वो इससे खुद भी भुगत चुकी है इस डिजीज़ से, तो आई थिंक अच्छा काम कर रही है और इसीलिए मैं उसके साथ हूँ इस काम में। थैंक यू।
जरा सर जरा साइड हो जाइए मैम राइट गीता मैम राइट गीता मैम राइट मैम सेंटर तमाम लेफ्ट साइड मैम राइट मैम सेंटर तमाम लेफ्ट साइड मैम राइट मैम यहां पर बस इकडे राईटला या साईडला बघा
I think it's a great initiative and it's very much needed in today's time, especially when we have people who are working individually, trying to go ahead in a fast world, and probably emotions are less. So I guess it's a great initiative right now.
What do you have to say about Mr. Ghulam Ali's?
I don't think that's the right thing to speak right now. I've given an answer on that, and that answer's gone everywhere.
Thank you.